The main difference between two popular e-commerce platforms is their approach to customization. One is a marketplace platform, where multiple shops are hosted with automatically customized layouts, while the other is an e-commerce platform that allows users to build their own independent website, giving them more control over their store. This second platform offers a wide variety of customization tools, making it easier to personalize the look of the store. In terms of attracting customers, the marketplace platform has a large existing customer base, which can be beneficial for new businesses, whereas the e-commerce platform requires users to build their own website and drive traffic to acquire customers. For businesses with no existing customer base, the marketplace platform is the better option for exposure. As a business grows, the e-commerce platform allows for easy upgrades and increased scalability options, including special features for selling internationally. In contrast, expanding reach on the marketplace platform requires more effort and resources, as it focuses on scalability within its own marketplace. Despite their differences, both platforms share similarities as e-commerce platforms, offering basic features such as order management, shipping, product listings, gift cards, and discounts. Ultimately, the choice between the two platforms depends on individual needs. The marketplace platform is ideal for new businesses seeking an existing customer base and a simple interface, while the e-commerce platform is better suited for those who want to design their own website, personalize their brand, and market their shop through various social media platforms. The e-commerce platform offers more flexibility and scalability, making it a better choice for businesses looking to grow and expand their reach.